Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare wheatgrass juice versus powder. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular forms of wheatgrass, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle and health goals. Understanding the preparation, nutrient content, and convenience of each can make a big difference. Let's dive into the specifics of fresh juice first, then look at the advantages of the powdered version. Fresh wheatgrass juice is often praised for its vibrant, living enzymes and potent chlorophyll content. When you consume fresh juice, your body can absorb its nutrients almost instantly, providing a quick boost. This raw form is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, plus iron and calcium. Many users report feeling an immediate energizing effect due to its direct nutrient delivery. Wheatgrass powder offers incredible convenience and a longer shelf life, making it a practical choice for many. It's easy to mix into water, smoothies, or other beverages, perfect for busy mornings or when you're on the go. While some enzymes might be reduced during processing, the powder still retains a significant amount of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 1 teaspoon of powder can equal a shot of fresh juice, offering a concentrated dose of goodness. It's a cost-effective way to incorporate wheatgrass into your routine consistently. Deciding between wheatgrass juice and powder ultimately depends on your personal preferences and priorities. If you prioritize maximum enzyme activity and rapid absorption, fresh juice might be your best bet. However, for convenience, cost-effectiveness, and ease of storage, powder is an excellent alternative that still delivers powerful nutrients. Both options are fantastic for boosting your overall wellness. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.